For FG metal, basic data 1, basic data 2, we are putting base unit of measurement metal group. Then MRP1, base unit of measurement is coming. We are given PD, MRP type, rod size, minimum rod size we are maintaining, MRP controller, MRP to procurement type, storage location, and schedule margin. MRP3 we are giving strategy group whether it is make to stock or make to order. Then ability check 02. This field should not be blank. Always remember. Otherwise, it will create problem into production order. And even scheduling profile, production store location, plant data storage 1 2. If it is required batch management, then you can maintain. Now see the accounting view. It is standard price. I am giving 2000 rupees. That is a standard. Accounting view, costing 1, costing 2. You can check it and you can save it. In MM03 you can check your material. Oblique O MM03. If you want to open new screen along with this screen, so oblique O, then you can put the material code charger 001. You can check it. This metal is created. And this is your description. Okay, so our raw material is created and our finished item is created. Understood? So for helps, the same will be there. Only difference between you will create and difference between this only MRP2. No, standard price will be there. You can create maintain as a procurement type E itself if it is in house. Okay, so there is no difference between finished and semi-finished product. You can sell out finished product also, semi-finished also. Okay, but what is happening, sometimes semi-finished item you can procure. Okay, or you can produce in your premises also. So you can maintain based on that. So what in our scenario, what we are doing, we are maintaining procurement type X for the semi-finished item because we don't know when business can change the requirement. So it is easy if you are maintaining X. So this is the big difference. So I will mention in our Excel sheet. X used for SMG. So like that you have to make remarks here in details. Understood? So
question
first 1 minute. So you can create SFG item, right?
Yes, sir.
I think there is no any problem. You just try to create and let me know. Yeah, tell me question.
सर बोल रहा हूँ कि अगर सपोज ये इन हाउस प्रोडक्शन नहीं है, हमको कोई थर्ड पार्टी वेंडर में मटेरियल रॉ मटेरियल भेजना है, वहाँ से प्रोडक्शन होगा, तो फिर वहाँ पर प्रोक्योरमेंट टाइप कौन सा होगा? X.
Yes. No. You see, you are procuring from your material, that is a E. Sorry, that is a F. Okay. Okay. And after that, if you see, this is for your valuation. Your material type is linked with your valuation type. Means how you are going to evaluate it. Okay. So already it is valuated in your premises with moving average price. So if you want to send to your customer, Sorry, for yonder, for any processing, that is called a subcontracting process. So in cycle, there is one procedure is there. So you are not selling your raw material here, right? You are not producing your raw material here. You are just processing. So any material you can give to for any processing. That is subcontracting process.
We are sending a raw materials to the third party by 541 movement, right?
Yes. There is a standard SAP process that is called standard subcontracting process. Okay. So one moment type is there. I will let you know. 541 moment type is there. So through 541, you have to create subcontracting purchase order. Okay. In the purchase order, you will mention what material you will send and after the processing what material you will receive. So 541 through 5 moment type 541, you will send your material to your vendor. That's it. You need not to change any setting into Material Master. Remember?
That means here the procurement type will be F.
Sorry?
Here the procurement type will be F.
Yes. You see, this procurement type is depend on your material. It is not depend on your process. One process is there. You can sell out. Say one process is there. You can sell out your material, raw material also. You can sell out your scrap item also. Right to understand.
That means it is a valuation.
Yes, based on valuation. Yes. Okay.
That means 7920 or 0710 or
Yes.
A300.
Yes. Okay. So our Metal Master is created. One more thing I just wanted to share with you. You see, material type. You understood whatever the material type is there.
Yes, sir.
Raw material, semi-finished, finished item, non-valued. There are lots of material. You need to check. Non-valued item is there. Spare parts also is there. So depend on business process. Material consultant will create the material type. Okay. If it is maintained by standard system, we can follow the standard process, standard material type. And number ranges. So what is number ranges in that case? If you see our raw material, okay, it is a internal number. Okay, so this configuration done by the consultant. And if you see finish item, always we have to give as external, means we are giving the material number charger 001. Why we are giving external number? Because if it is our material, if we sell it out to our customer will understand, okay, this is the metal code, and through this they will inform to us if there is any problem. Understood? And semi-finish also will be the external number. Understood? And rest of the other material, store item, spare parts will be internal number. Okay. And material group. Material group, suppose if you are yes. Okay. This is identification, material number, material type, and material number. This is identification and description. So everywhere you will check, you will search any transaction, so you will make it any transaction through metal code. It will be accepted by system. Okay. And metal, what is metal group? Suppose you are having a raw metal 5 or 6 type. Suppose you are having a 10 types of raw material. So you can create grouping like 01, 02, 03. Okay. So suppose 2 type of metal will be in the same group. So if you create metal code, I'm giving an example ROA1. So in the same 01. If it is RA2, in the same group. If it are ROA3, in the same group. Okay, maybe ROA4 on a single material. Now ROA5 in the same group. So understood, like that it is possible. So it depends on business requirement, how they want to, but you need to explain material group and usage. So what is the usage of that material? Suppose if you are procuring your material, raw material, so it is for goods issue. Okay, you have to process your raw material into, convert into finished item or semi-finished item. So that is a usage you need to understand. And valuation class. Okay, valuation, how it is going to price, how it is valuated. So you need to understand.
सर एक क्वेश्चन था।
Hmm.
हाँ, बोल रहे हो कि यहाँ पर जो सपोज फिनिश प्रोडक्ट जो है 44001 ये हमारा फिनिश प्रोडक्ट है, लेकिन हमारा कंपनी में देखा कि थर्ड पार्टी से जब वो मैंने होने के लिए जा रहा है तो 003 से जा रहा है, और जब आ रहा है GRN जब तुल रहा है उठ रहा है उसका 001 में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है।
Right,
ऐसा है।
right, because you try to understand, na, you are giving one material to your customer, your vendor. So they will process something, they will convert into finished product or semi-finished product, right?
Yes, sir.
So after that, that material code should be changed, no? Because for you, raw material is a different code, finished item is a different code.
अच्छा, मतलब
Understood, na?
आइडेंटिफिकेशन के लिए।
Yes,
Identification
conversion, identification, na, how, and suppose if the same material if you are giving and same material you are receiving, so your inventory will be the same. So how you are going to costing it? Your inventory is impacting, na. Suppose if you are changes your material, okay.
Yes.
Understood.
Yes, sir. ताकि इन्वेंट्री में भी और कॉस्टिंग में भी कोई इफेक्ट ना पड़े।
Right, right. You try to understand the business process. No, forget about costing and this thing. Suppose if you are giving same material, so and suppose you are issuing the material quantity of 10, and after processing same material will be in your item, then again cost process will be your quantity will be the same.
Yes,
So suppose if you want to goods issue for or if you want to sell out, how you identify in system, because your raw material is there is no any code for finished item, and someone asks you how many materials you receive for finished product, so how you will understand? This is a basic thing. It doesn't require any SAP. If you see local ERP or maybe you are maintaining into Excel sheet, how you are maintaining?
मतलब जितना भेजा उतना ही आया।
Right,
मतलब ऐसे वो बैलेंस शीट जैसा करता था।
right, right.
अच्छा।
So understood. Material type. Now I will create BOM master data also. So this is the PB master data. One T code is there, CS01. Okay, this is the BOM creation. What is BOM? List of component. Okay. Hello guys, are you listening me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Apply something. Otherwise, I will not understand. Are you getting or not? My point. So CS, we have created one finished item and raw material. Okay. Now I will show you the BOM. What is BOM? BOM is a list of material. So here we will give what are the raw material is required. I'm giving you one basic example. And suppose for one item, how many raw material is required? So you need to understand. So one T code is there. CS01. You give it. Okay.
कनेक्शन एंडेड।
Now I will create one bomb, CS01. Okay. Our finished material is charger. So I will give it. Our plant is TP01. Bomb usage. You see, bomb can be used for, this is a, we can say, type of bomb, we can say, where this is the bomb is used for the production, engineering or design also, plant maintenance also, sales and distribution, costing. Okay, there are lots of things. So in our PP model, we will use production. Okay, that is usage. You remember all these things. In interview, they will ask, what is the usage of bomb? Okay, I will not give any alternatives. You see, from today I am giving to validate from. Okay, so you try to give always date of the first month, or once you will start from your go live. So try to give at least 10 to 15 days back, because what is happening, the user will tell today you will create one bomb, and if you create for today, and if they want to create production order on the old date, so system will not allow you. Understood? So
Yes, sir.
always try to give valid data from always 10 to 15 days back. Okay. So I'm giving this entry. I will enter it. Now your component is field is coming. Here you have to give item category. That is a stock item. There is a lots of item category because it depend on business to business. Okay. So PM structure element like plant maintenance. There is a lots of, so here our use is L, that is stock item, because we are consuming our material from inventory, and I will give that's our charger component. And for one charger, how many component is required? Can you give? Do you have any live data? Hello, Dipanjan,
Multiple.
you just tell me.
Yes, sir.
Suppose one charger, how many switches are required?
Depends on the charger design, sir.
So tell me one example. Suppose
switch
Quantity.
don't post and
no, at least you give something different. No, suppose I am giving. I'm giving how many switches? 3 or 5?
three.
Huh? Sorry?
Three.
Okay, I'm giving 3.
Okay.
I have heard. No, our material is not. No. Our material is.
Each media.
You can see from here RWZ. And T code is there, MM60 already I explained you. Our material code was wrong. You see, what this is the meaningful of Excel sheet. Okay. I will create bomb. Okay, system is taken. You see valid from valid to. And here if you click, you can note alternative text. Suppose you can want to mention some charger specification in alternative text, you can mention here. You see base quantity is 1. So for one finished product, for one charger, your item is required 3 quantity. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So you always remember, if you are taking data from your master data from your customer or client, you need to give all this data. What I have given, plant, storage location, like that you have to give it. Usage, alternative description, base quantity, component, item number, and quantity and unit. Understood? So this is the procedure we are creating our BOM. Now I will save it. So one number is generated, means that is a system is giving creating BOM for material this. Okay, I want to suppose I want to change it. So what is the T code? CS02. You can give. Always remember from which date you are changing. It will affect from that. So I will give the same. Yes. So suppose if you want to change, you can change here. If you want to add, you can add new component, or you want to change some base quantity or description, you can change it. You can save it again if it is required. So there is no any changes. And for display, what is the T code? Tell me.
CS03.
Right. So like that, you need to understand. Okay, so our BOM is created. So you understand, you got.
Sir.
So like, listen first minute. Okay. So you have to maintain BOM. I will share this sheet with you all, and you just maintain this sheet like that only. You understood now? Whatever we are giving, you try to create one more material in your system and try to give all this data, material, plant, usage, and whatever we are entering, you make and maintain into Excel sheet, so that you can increase your knowledge and it will be good for you. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tomorrow we will take the work center, routing and production version. First we will complete our master data. So for today, do you have any doubt? Dipanjan,
No, sir.
Avina,
की
yeah,
हेलो हाँ प्रोडक्शन वर्जन जो मैंडेटरी हो गया S/4HANA के लिए
right.
तो वो तो अभी हम दे नहीं पा रहे उसके लिए क्या कोई मटेरियल क्रिएशन में कोई इफेक्ट पड़ सकता है?
No. It will not. You see, we are not giving. We are not able to give like. It is not like that. So now we are not giving because there is another T code also there. It will not ask now. Production version is maintained for the finished product. Okay. So if it is not created, if it is not maintained production version, system will not allow to create production version. Okay. So tomorrow I will discuss with you the other point, our BOM, word center, routing, production version. Okay. So I think you don't have any doubt. If you have any doubt, you can write down, and in next class you can ask me.
सर व्हाट इज को प्रोडक्ट मतलब ये क्या होता है?
Co-product is a, suppose if you are making the finished product, okay, along with this any other material is coming, okay, so that is co-product. I will let you know one by one. It is maintained in my Excel sheet. So you first concentrate on your subject, whatever I am telling you. You see, each and everything, MRP is there, demand management. Also, I will tell you the difference between ECC and S/4HANA. So I am giving one example, like example production version. So I will show you how it is work. Material staging confirmation. If you say type of BOM, byproduct, co-product, back plus, type of routing. So how we are making the group counter. Each and everything it is there. I will show you. Repetitive manufacturing is also there. Batch management is also there. So I will let you know one by one. Okay. So what is your activity? What is your homework? You have to complete material master, FG item, SFG item, and raw material. Okay, and BOM also.
सर एक क्वेश्चन था वो
Yes, ask
जो
me.
वैल्यूएशन सर वैल्यूएशन क्लास जो होता है सर वो इस पर हना में अलग है और ईसीसी में अलग है
No,
सर
no,
वो
no,
जो
no.
वैल्यूएशन
No, it is not different. You see, it's depend on configuration. Whatever we are giving valuation class.
सर
Okay.
वैल्यूएशन के वो कस्टमर
Yes, it depend. Actually, what is happening? Sometimes we are using it as a standard. Okay, suppose 3000 is for raw material, 7920 for the finished product, 7900 for the we can say that is for semi-finished item. So almost it is fixed. If it is depend on consultant, if they want to customize, they can create their own. But you don't worry about that. First, you need to worry about standard price and moving average price, ability check, strategy group, schedule margin key, base unit of measurement, batch management. Okay, so whatever I have given you, you note down what is the MRP PPV. Okay, so you need to worry about your view first. And already I told you the accounting costing you details. Understood? So I will share with you all this sheet. You can proceed and fill up. Okay, so today I am going to stop our class here. Tomorrow we will see.
मटेरियल बनाना है कल
Sorry,
कितना मटेरियल बनाना है कल मतलब होमवर्क के लिए
up you do for your practices 10, 12 material you create. 10 you create 10 items for raw material so that your practices will be more confident about it. You create 10 items or also you create BOM. Okay.
10 items and 10 bombs.
Yes.
अच्छा सर एक काम कर सकते हैं 10 आइटम्स तो 10 लाइन आइटम्स तो हम एक बॉम्ब में ला सकते हैं
Yes.
उससे ज्यादा अच्छा होगा शायद
Yes. But first you try to basic. First you create one finish item, one raw material. Okay. First you do your basic things. Try to remember all these things, all these data, what we are giving. First you give first one scenario, then only you try to with multiple.
सर एसएफजी आइटम जो है वो है उसको हम मतलब जो बनाएंगे वो क्या एफजी से कुछ अलग होगा मतलब फील्ड के बाद
No. Everything will be there. Description will be depend on your requirement. Okay. And your material procurement type you can maintain as a X because you don't know when your business can change. So if you're creating semi-finished goods item, you maintain as a just X. Okay. Any other questions?
सर मेरा एक अलग क्वेश्चन है
हाँ.
प्रैक्टिस सर बैच मैनेजमेंट के लिए सर एक बार सर मैन्युअली बैच मैनेजमेंट प्रोसेस
I will tell you that already I have explained you in earlier classes. I am giving you second or third time, no issue. Okay, but you can see here. Already I mentioned in my class. So I will tell you once it will be started. Okay, and also you check my video. It is in YouTube. You have a link, right?
सर मुझे एक लिंक भेज देंगे
Yes, I will right now. No, first you make the basic thing, then only I will share with you. Don't worry, I will share with you.
ओके सर
Okay. Thank you so much for today.